For Memberwise assignment, remember what we are doing is we are leveraging the class definition to assign the stored variables from one instance of a class to another instance of a class. So for this example, we have a rectangle. Now, for that rectangle, we only have the two variables associated with it. We have length and we have width. So for all of you who claimed not to need grade school math, here it comes back to bite you again. And the idea here in Memberwise assignment is right here in main.cpp on line number 18. What we have is we have created two instances of our rectangle class, the first of them box 1, the second of them box 2, and you will notice that they do have, in fact, different values. Box 1 is 10 for length and width, box 2 is 20 for length and width. So here in running, what you'll see is the first time around when we just have their separate assignments, we do in fact get what we would expect to see. We get our boxes. When we call to the constructor, we are assigning those values for length and width, and whoop, we're good. Now, line number 18 happens in between the first output and the second output. This time around, what we're saying is that box 2 is going to get the assignment for those members. Remember, the two members available there are going to be length and width, hence the term Memberwise assignment. So now on our second output here, you'll notice that box 2 does in fact assume the length and width of box 1. Now do remember, length and width here are simple variables with simple variable assignment happening. What is not happening here is the leveraging of pointers. Memberwise assignment will not work properly with pointers because as we are assigning those variables from object 2 to object 1 or object 1 to object 2, whichever direction it is we happen to be doing it here, those pointers are simply assigned over. Remember the difference between a pointer and every other variable for the most part is going to be that is a specific address in memory. It is not a new distinct pointer to whatever it is we're pointing at, an array, a character array, what have you. So Memberwise assignment only works with primitive data types because it will not work with pointers.